Another important aspect of your written product is to consider its consistency with past products. According to Analytic Tradecraft Standard 7, you should state how their analytic products, major judgments on a topic are consistent with or represent a change from those in previously published or represent initial coverage of the topic. Note that this doesn't just mean to state any differences with past analysis, but to confirm the continuity of past analysis. There are a few good reasons for doing this. The main one is to save your client time from performing this due diligence themselves. By incorporating past analysis with your current analysis, your client doesn't need to look up this past analysis themselves. The other reason for providing this historic context is to highlight how new information or events that have affected your judgment of an issue. This means that you will need to be familiar with DIA and IC analysis on a given topic in order to identify and describe change or consistency. If possible, it's also very helpful to be familiar with other intelligence community agencies' positions on that same topic. There are specific writing techniques that you can use to demonstrate analytic line in your product. For example, to show consistency with a related assessment, you could say, consistent with our June assessment that, to indicate a change in your analytic judgment or the level of uncertainty, you can describe the previous judgment such as, we previously assessed that. You can also write based on new clandestine intelligence or based on a review of our assumptions, we can no longer assume that. The main thing is to make sure your client understands if your analysis is consistent or not and the supporting reasons why.